Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to send disappearing messages on Telegram. Let's get started. Open the Telegram app, then tap the search bar and select the person you want to chat with. Tap their name, tap their three-dot menu in the top right, then choose Start Secret Chat, then confirm by tapping Start. Inside the secret chat, tap the clock icon near the text box. Choose how long you want message to last. 5 seconds, 1 minute, 1 hour, up to 1 week. Then tap Done. Now, every message you send will automatically disappear after the recipient reads it and the timer runs out. Secret chats are end-to-end encrypted, can't be forwarded, and don't store message on the cloud. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.